Guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I'll guide you to add a member on the DrawNames app. So if you want to add a member on the DrawNames app celebration or group, but you do not have to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. Get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you install the DrawNames app on a device. So if you have not installed the DrawNames app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store. So after that, you just need to open the DrawNames app, and as you can see, this is the home page of DrawNames, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar. So you'll see the option like celebration, finder, wish list, menu, and all. Now to add a member or group or celebration on the DrawNames, you just need to go on the celebration section and you just need to click on the settings of the celebration which you have created, and from here you'll see the various options: change the event date, change the gift amount, change celebration venue, add member, or remove the contact of add member, and you just need to enter the name of the member which you want to add. Click on the option of add, and you may also send the invitation from here. So click on the option of share invitation and simply share it to the friends which you have added. So that's it. That's how you can add a member on DrawNames app. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.